Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to walk you through some of the issues you may have when opening and installing any of our apps on your Mac. So you notice this URL here, support@apple.com. This is the official Apple website. I'm going to show you what you might receive when first launching any of our apps, when you're launching the installer, or you might be opening, clicking on one of the icons after installing. You will probably most likely receive this message first time. So what this is basically we don't ship or deliver our apps on the App Store, the Apple macOS App Store. We actually use Java, which is a universal way of doing it so that it works on both Windows, Mac, and Linux. So if you receive this, all you have to do is follow the directions found here. Most likely, all you have to do is just right-click on the actual icon, as it will display here, and just click Open, and then it will ask you again after you do that. If you really want to proceed, you hit that window, Proceed, and then you'll be able to open the application. Or you can actually do it here and select App Store and identify developers. So you'll never be asked if you choose this. So that's it. It's pretty straightforward. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.